Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So this is week 2, assignment 2. Week 2, assignment 2. You'll do both of these worksheets. Let me write this at the top. You should have both these worksheets with you. They look like this. All right, and I'm going to help you get started with them. This one's really short. So all of these, when we factor, they all start out with just a single x squared, which makes them a lot easier because remember it's just x times x. Then you think of things that multiply to 12 but add to 13. So 1 times 12 would work, and everything is positive. Now let's figure out how this picture thing works. You find the x plus 1 and the x plus 12 and they go together. So here's the x plus 12 and here's the x plus 1. What that means is anywhere you see the letter L, you're going to shade it like this. So anywhere you see a letter L, you're going to do a diagonal this way and then just shade the upper right corner. Okay, do we see more L's? This way and just the upper right corner. Does that make sense? I'll do one more here with you. So let's look at this one. We have x times x. In the middle is just 1x. Okay, that's just a 1x. And what we want to multiply to a negative 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? We would want the 2 to be, jeez, the 2 to be positive, or the 2 to be negative and the 3 to be positive. So let's look for this answer up here. An x minus 2 and an x plus 3. Here's my x plus 3 and x minus 2. So this is B. Maybe that would have been easier if I would have put the letter here instead of draw the picture. So anywhere you see a letter B, we're going to draw our angle this way and then shade up here. And that makes a pretty cute little picture if you get that shading right. Okay, this one's really awesome. But it's a little easier because they have the answers already beside each other. So what we're going to do is we'll do a few of these together. I'm going to pick kind of the harder ones that we'll do together. So let's look at number 10. First, I noticed they all have a 3 in common. So if you can factor out what they have in common, you want to do that first. Leaving us with 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Now we're going to take this and we're going to factor it. Okay, and let's try 2x times 2x for 4x, and let's just see if this works. And 3 times 3. Everything's plus. So to check for the 12, remember you check outside, inside. 6x plus 6x is 12x. So this is our answer. Let's see if we can find that answer down at the bottom. So there's a 3 in front, and then see this one? Ooh, there we go. 3 in front, 2x plus 3 squared. So anywhere you see a letter K, this picture is really cool. If you don't want to make the picture, that's okay. But if you guys could at least put the letter here, but it does make a superhero, I will tell you that. If you shade all the K's, like it's kind of halfway in the middle, and you're going to just kind of dark with like a pencil, or you could use a Sharpie or something. Just make sure you don't mess up if you use a Sharpie. And then down like this. It ends up making a superhero if you do all the pictures right. It's pretty cool. So again, this should help that your answers are down here. Email me if you have questions. Like if you even want to check, hey, I'm not sure, is number 14 letter M? I'll let you know. And then if you want to check those answers before you shade it, that's fine. So again, this is also week 2, assignment 2. You will just take a picture when you're done. You could even have them both beside each other like this and take a picture of them. And that's how you're going to submit your assignment. So hopefully that makes sense and you're doing well. Let me know if you have questions. Email me.